Hello, everyone, welcome back. Today, I will share you how to share a Chrome Bookmarks folder with others. In this video, I will show you two methods to achieve this goal. Firstly, let's start it from the method 1, share specified bookmarks using the export feature. First, click the profile icon at the top right corner of the browser. Select the Add option. Follow the on-screen instructions to add a Chrome profile. Ensure the bookmarks bar is shown on each profile. You can press Ctrl plus Shift plus B to toggle the display of the bookmarks bar. Drag the specified bookmarks folder and drop it in the bookmarks bar of the newly created profile. Then navigate to 3 dots icons, Bookmarks and Lists, Bookmark Manager. Click the 3 dots, then select Export Bookmarks. Save this bookmarks file to your computer. Now, you can share the specified bookmarks by sending this HTML file. Next, navigate to the method 2, Export Selective Bookmarks via a Chrome extension. Download and install the Selective Bookmarks Export Tool. Locate the extension and click its icon. Select the bookmarks you want to export and click the Export button. Pick a location to store this file. The corresponding HTML file will be stored on your computer. You can share the specified bookmark later by sending this HTML document. That's all, thanks for watching.